Hey guys, welcome back to another video and if you're just joining me now, then my name is Kitty and I am 13 years old. But basically today I am going to be vlogging because we are going to Ikea and I'm picking up the 9-drawer set of Alex drawers. So yeah, I thought it'd be pretty cool to show you my day, I guess. And I've just got out of the shower, so my hair is still wet and I'm still in my pyjamas, but I'm gonna go get changed and I'll show you what I am wearing. Okay guys, so I'm all dressed now and I'm going to show you my outfit once I've done my makeup. Hey guys, so right now we're in the car and we've just stopped for petrol and then we're going to be going on our way to Ikea, and today I've gone for a autumn inspired outfit and I'm really loving my eye look today. I've gone out of my comfort zone a bit with my eyes as I usually go with peachy shades, but I'm really loving this goldy purpley eye, so I might do it again sometime. So yeah, I'll probably show you a bit of the journey and bye! Okay, so right. Oh yeah.
Edmonton is where we are.
Hey guys, so we're in Ikea. Hey guys, so we're in Ikea now.
Why are you bloody laughing?
What are you doing? Hey guys, so we're in Ikea now and I'm with Auntie and yeah, we're just gonna have a look around and do some shopping. What are you doing? That's going in the vlog.
Yeah, you better not.
Dad's found a light that he likes. So I've just come out of Ikea and I'm on my way home. So basically I got a couple of things there which I'll show you later, but we did get chips and hot dogs and food and it was really good, but I didn't have time to film it because it was so busy. But yeah, I'll show you the stuff when I get home. Hey guys, so I've just got home and I am going to quickly go and take off all my makeup and I'll do a time lapse of that. Hey guys, so it's Sunday now and it is later, and I finished sorting out all my drawers and everything. So as you would have seen in the last clips, I did a time lapse of me filling them all up and everything. Okay, so this is just what they look like. I just got some stuff on top. I've got my tripod and some other stuff. Hey guys, so right now this is what my new dressing table is looking like. So just got my new chair, I've got my old mirror, I've got my light box, and then I've got my new dressing table. And basically what I've done is, this is a glass bit that goes on top, and I've printed out loads and loads of pictures and I've laid them underneath and then put the glass on top, so now I have really nice pictures of nice memories there. Now I just have my makeup brushes here, and then I have my old stuff from last time. But right now my dad's just about to put my new mirror up and lights about to go up. So yeah, this is what it looks like before all the lights and mirror have gone up, and then I will show you what it looks like afterwards. Hey guys, so my room is all done now and my new dressing table is up. I've got my drawers here and my new dressing table and mirror and lights are in front of me. So I thought that I would show you what they all look like now quickly. Okay, so as I've already shown you, these are my new drawers and I've already shown you what's inside them, so I won't show you again. And then turning this way, woohoo! Turning this way, this is my new dressing table. I've got just some plaques, and this is my new mirror, and I've got my lights, and then I've just got my makeup brushes and my mirror. And then underneath here I've just got loads of photos that I printed out. These are the lights, and I love the lights in the mirror so much, so I'm going to switch them on quick and I'm going to show you what they look like with the lights on. Okay, so this is the lights on, and I just think they look really nice. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a big like, subscribe and comment down below any videos you'd like to see in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.